Guys, dito nga pala tayo ngayon sa Dubai International Airport at magbabakasyon tayo sa Pilipinas ngayon 2025. Alright, so nandito tayo sa may bandang duty free at nag-aantay na lang ako ng magbukas yung gate, tapos tayo ng Singapore, then from Singapore antay ulit tayo ng flight natin, and then Philippines. Alright, check natin yung yung gate number. So gate number tayo, D16. Tayo magantay, mamaya pang alas 8 yung flight natin at kita sa Singapore. Alright, let's go. Medyo malayo pala yung D16. Mga siya, 5 minutes sa lakad. Hey guys, pasakay na tayo ng airplane, Singapore Airlines.
Yes,
thank you.
How are you?
Na tayo sa loob ng airplane. Hanapin na yung seat natin. After 7 hours ng biyahe natin from Dubai to Singapore, nandito na tayo sa Singapore Airport. 11 hours ang ating layover, kaya nag-book ako ng tour dito. Meron ditong free tour eh. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung free tour. Sa loob ng 11 hours ang gagawin natin. Free Singapore tour. Ayan. So tayo pupunta. Yan, scan nyo lang yung QR code niyo. Ay, punta tayo ng puwan. Welcome to Singapore Airport. Ito ako nakatulog kagabi. Ito yung yung free tour registration. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. So ayan guys, pag nakapag-register kayo, bibigyan kayo nito free bus or free tour in Singapore. Yan.
Here in the city center, not one but two event, biggest event in this country is going to happen. One is very soon, maybe in about 2 weeks time. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate our 60th Independence Day. I will talk about that later on. Yeah, and you're gonna see how much, how massive it's gonna be. Yeah, I will show you the place later on. And meanwhile, take a look now. So broken promises. Yeah, all right. So they just promised us last May, and I'm looking forward for the next 5 years that they still hang on to the promises. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived here at our first stop. Good time, yes.
Kapal yung bus namin dito sa Singapore. Ayan. Free tour. Bus. Walang lugar to. Sabi ng tour guide, dito daw mag-race yung Formula 1 eh. Dito mismo.
She was the Empress of India, Egypt. Yeah, so over here we also use the term Empress. Yeah, and upon her passing,
you want to both?
Yeah, both. Banana level champions.
Okay.
Sobrang init.
Maybe, yes.
Di ka pa nakakarating ng Pilipinas. May itim ka na. Hindi na masakit. Sabi ni tour guide, yung tulay doon na to ay binil ng mga British.
so that's when we took some pictures. There was a statue. That is a statue of Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. Yeah, the gentleman that lead the British East India Company to Singapore. Yeah.
Sobrang init. So papunta na tayo sa Mir Lion. Mir Lion ba yung tawag doon? Sa lion na may buntot na isda. Ay, ito na nga. Nakita ko na ang Mir Lion. Yung klima dito parang Pilipinas lang din eh. Ano siya? Humid. Welcome to Singapore. So mainit. Mainit to. Tignan natin. Mainit na picturean to dito, be. Ayun, si Mayor Lion, no? Jeez! Teka. Ayun, sheesh! Talaga yung mga picturean ng mga tao. Welcome to Singapore! Ay, tourist dito. Init! Sheesh! Sa likod to. Ayan o. Kahit sobrang init dito, marami pa rin mga tao eh. Wala picture sa akin eh. Wala picture na mag-isa. Okay. Lapitan ko nga si Mayor Lion. Uwi na ako, sobrang init dito. Alright guys, so balik na tayo doon sa bus. At medyo nasobrahan na pagkasunog aking balat. Yan, si Mayor Lion. Natin view dito. Banda. Yan. Ano? Sheesh. Pangit magpunta dito sa ano, sa Singapore ng tanghaling tapat. Init eh. Hey guys, sure ng Singapore guys, so. Ayan. Okay.
The main attractions of Bay South Garden. The area here is the Golden Garden. Take a closer look at the super trees and plants surrounding you. You will notice plants selected for their splendid gold-hued foliage and flowers. This is Singapore's latest horticultural wonder, a project that began with an international design competition in 2006 and opened in 2012. You are now entering the Waterfront Walk, which connects Bay South to Bay East via Marina Barrage behind you. Across Marina Reservoir, you will see Bay East, the second of 3 gardens of Gardens by the Bay. Bay East is open 24 hours daily, offering a superb view of the city skyline along its waterfront promenade. Bay South is filled with gastronomic delights, and there are F&B outlets throughout the garden.
Tapos na ang ating tour. Tatlo lang pala tong Garden by the Bay na to. Wala ko noon marami. Garden by the Bay. Dito tayo guys sa Jewel Singapore. Cheers! So okay, tara na guys. Hanap na tayo ng pwedeng tambayan or makakahinan. Nakita na natin ng falls. Ayan. Siya. Maraming tao nagpapapicture. So ngayon, kailangan ko pumunta sa Terminal 2 kasi dun yung next flight natin. So, yun na nga, after ng tour, ay nakakagutom, sobrang init, sobrang layo na nilakad. Madumi ata yung lens natin. So, after nung tour, city tour yung tawag doon. Ano lang siya, libre. And after nun, punta na tayo ng Terminal 2, which is nandito na tayo at nakakagutom din pala, magala-gala. Dito sa Singapore, nandito tayo ngayon sa ano to, parang ramen Singapore blah blah blah, parang ganun. Ito yung in order ko. Gutom eh. Tikman natin ang ano nila, ang foods nila dito. Singapore foods. Alright. Tapos after ito, lipat na tayo pa Manila. Alright. Sakto lang. Hindi naman siya sobrang anghang. Hindi yung chop. Ate, pwede kumain kutsara din ito. Ito ng pork.
Yes.
Can I have spoon in pork,
Ay,
please? Hindi pala siya ano, Tagalog. Thank you po.